Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 1A and 1B simulation training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on PC screen. Let's start our training. Question 1 is that in cell A1, tab the worksheet title Profit Meta and then press enter. Click on cell A1 and then enter this profit Meta. Okay, then press enter. This is done now. Question is completed. Okay, in cell A2, tap the worksheet subtitle second quarter cardio sales and then press enter. Click on cell A2 and then tap second quarter cardio sales. Okay, tap second quarter cardio sale, then press enter. This is done now. Use the name box to navigate to cell A4, tap exercise bikes to from the first row title and then press enter. Okay, then click on C6 A4 sorry, then enter exercise bikes. Okay, click on cell A4 and then tap exercise bikes and then press enter. Okay, done now. In cell A5, type E and notice the text from the previous cell displays. Continue typing the remainder. Okay, then tap E vertical machine elliptical machines. Okay, then press enter. This is done now. Okay, in cell B3, tap April and then on the formula bar, click the enter button to confirm the entry and keep cells B3 as the active cell. Okay, in cell B3, tap April. Okay, with cell B3 active, drag the fill handle to write the fill to months May and June in the range C3 to D3. Okay, this is done now. Question is completed now. Okay, now next question. Point the vertical line between the column A and column B headings to display the resize pointer and then drag to the right until the screen tip indicates 16.43. Okay, point the vertical column A and column B. Okay, vertical column A and column B and display the resize pointer. Okay, resize pointer. Then select the range B3 to DE. Right click, cover the selector range. Then on the mini toolbar, click center. First we select this range B3 to D3. Okay, this is done now. Under April, click cell B4 and tab 68. Okay, under April, click cell B4 and then tab 69. Okay, done. In cell C4, tab 86894.82. Okay, in cell D4, tab 99650.58 and then press enter. Okay, type this 96650.958, then press enter. Okay, in cell B5, type 28836. 28 836, then okay, in cell C5 tab 22 634.23. Okay, okay, in cell D5 tab 22 828.78, and then press enter. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on to question number 6. Click cell B8 and then tab is equal to B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7 to create formula that adds the value in cell B4 to B7. Okay, first we will click on cell B8. You can contact me for your assignment. Exam courses are complete course from my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description. Okay, in B8, first we enter is equal to, then enter formula B4 plus B5, okay, plus B6 plus B7, okay, then press enter. This is done now. Click cell C8 and then use 2 point and click method to enter a formula that adds the value in cell C4 through C8. Okay, use the pointer and click method to enter formula C4 through C8. Is equal to, then sum into C4 to C8, then press enter. This is done now. Now click C8 and the home tab. In the editing group, click sum to enter a function, then sum the value in cell D4 to D7. Okay, then press is equal to, then enter sum function, sum formula into D4 to D8, then press D7 and then press enter. This is done now. The question is completely done. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 8. Click cell E3, tap total and press enter. Okay, click on cell E3 and then tap enter in formula bar. Tap total in formula bar, then press enter. Okay, with cell E4 active on the home tab in editing group, click auto sum to sum the value in the range B4 to D4. Okay, click on auto sum, click on home tab, click on auto sum, and then auto sum will be shown cell E4. Then fill handle to throw E5 to E8. Okay, you can fill handle E5 to 8. Then click cell F3 and tap trend and then press enter. Click on cell F3. Okay, click cell F3 and trend and then press enter. First we click on cell F3. Okay, then enter trend and then press enter. This is done now. Question is completely done. Now moving on next question. Next question, select the range if A1 to F1 and then alignment group and click merge and center. Okay, first we select this range A1 to F1. First we will select this range A1 to F1 and then click on home tab and click on merge and center. Merge and center. This is done. Select the range A2 to F2 and then alignment group and click merge and center. Then select second range A1 to A2 to F2 and then click on merge and center. Okay, merge and center. This is done. Now apply the title cell style to cell A1. Click on cell A1 and go to the cell style and then select title cell style. Okay, apply the heading 1 cell style to cell A2. Select cell A2 and go to the cell style and then apply heading 1 cell style. Okay, select the range B3 to F3. Hold down CTRL. Okay, hold down control. Select the range A4 to A8. Okay, first we select this range and control and select other range with non-adjustment ranges selected. Apply heading 4 cell style. Okay, go to the cell style then and apply heading 4 cell style. This is done now. Question is completely done. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 10. Select the non-adjustment ranges B4 to E4 and B8 to E8 and then on the home tab in the number group, click counting number format. First we select this ranges before to E4. You can select first this range and then second range, and then go to home tab and click on accounting number format. Go to number group and then select accounting number format. Okay, first we will select this range before to E4. Okay, then press control and then select second range B8 to E8, then click on accounting number format. Okay, select the range B5 to E5 and then number group, click comma cell style. Select this range B5 to E7 and click on number group and select comma cell style. Okay, select the range B8 to E8 and then in the style group display the cell style gallery under title and headings. Click on the total cell style. Okay, select this range and go to the cell style. Okay, then total cell style. Okay, this is done. Question is completely done. Now moving on next question. Next question is that click the page layout tab and then in the themes group click themes, click the raster pack theme. Okay, click the page layout tab. Okay, click the page layout tab, click on theme group and then select raster pack theme. Okay, this is done now. Moving on next question. Next question is that select the range A3 to D7 on the insert tab in the charts group. Click recommended charts, scroll down as necessary and then insert the fifth chart style cluster column chart. First we select this range, then click on insert tab and then in the chart group and then click recommended chart and scroll down necessary and then fifth chart cluster column chart. Okay, go to the insert tab and click on recommended chart. Okay, first select this range, click on recommended chart, then cluster column chart will be reserved. Here is cluster column, here is cluster bar, sorry, and where is cluster column chart. You can scroll down and you can select cluster column chart is here, then press OK. Cluster column chart will be inserted. This is done. Question is completely done. Now moving on next question. In the chart, click anywhere in the chart title to select the title box. Tap second quarter cardio sales and then press enter. Okay, we will add a chart title now. Select on chart title and then we will tap on here second quarter cardio sales and then press enter. Second quarter, okay, cardio sale. Okay, then press enter. Okay, click inside the chart border outside the chart title to right of the chart. Click the chart style bottom on the right side to chart gallery. Drag the vertical scroll bar down and then click on the sixth style. Okay, go to the chart style and then select sixth style, chart sixth style. Chart style, right click on this and then scroll down. Under colorful, click the third row of the colors. Scroll down. Okay, then start 6. Okay, then press colorful. Under colorful, click the third row of color. Okay, done. Now position the chart so that upper left corner of the chart align with the upper left corner to cell A10. Okay, move the chart to cell A10. Upper left corner to cell A10. Okay, you can move here. This is done now. upper left corner and select and okay. Select the range B4 to D7 on the insert tab. Sparkline group, click land, set the location range for the sparkline as F4 to F7. Basically, in this custom, we have to insert a sparkline. First, we select this range B4 to D7. First, we select this range B4 to D7. Okay, then click on insert tab. You can select this range first and then click on insert type. Okay, click on sparkline. Land sparkline and then add second location range F4 to F7, then press enter. On the design tab in the style group, okay, first row, click the third style. Okay, this is done now. I have done half simulation. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, and many more courses. You can contact me for your assignment help, exam help, or you want to deal for complete course. You can contact through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.